बुरी खबरें जल्दी फैलती हैं। बैड न्यूज़ ट्रेवल्स फास्ट। बैड न्यूज़ ट्रेवल्स फास्ट। कौन से ज़माने में जी रहे हैं आप? इन विच एरा यू आर लिविंग? इन विच एरा यू आर लिविंग। उसके दिमाग में भूसा भरा है। His head is filled with trash. His head is filled with trash. जल्दी से जल्दी उसकी शादी करा दो। Get her married at the earliest. Get her married at the earliest. यह बुरी नज़र उतारता है। It can nullify the evil eye. It can nullify the evil eye. मेरी पलकें भारी हो रही हैं। My lids are getting heavy. My lids are getting heavy. जाकर थोड़ी देर सो लो। Go and take a nap. Go and take a nap. उसकी पलकें झपने लगी। Her lids begin to close. Her lids begin to close. शुरुआत तुमने की, खत्म भी तुम ही करोगे। You started it and you will finish it. You started it and you will finish it. ये लड़का भी ना। This boy is too much. This boy is too much. ये लड़की भी ना। This girl is too much. This girl is too much. तुम भी ना। You are too much. You are too much. वह मेरी कोई दोस्त वोस्त नहीं है। She is no friend of mine. She is no friend of mine. सच में 10 बज गए या मेरी घड़ी तेज है? Is it really 10 o'clock? Is my watch fast? Is it really 10 o'clock? Is my watch fast? इतना समय नहीं हो सकता। That can't be the time. That can't be the time. जरूर मेरी घड़ी ही तेज होगी। My watch must be fast. My watch must be fast. मुझ पर एक एहसान करना। Just do me one favor. Just do me one favor. तुम अच्छी तरह जानते हो क्यों। You know well why. You know well why. तुम जहाँ भी जाते हो छा जाते हो। You make an impression wherever you go. You make an impression wherever you go. मुझे अपनी आँखों की जांच करानी है। I need to get my eyes tested. I need to get my eyes tested. जब मैंने उसे देखा तो तुरंत पहचान लिया। When I saw him, I recognized him at once. When I saw him, I recognized him at once. वह मेरी सगी बहन है। She is my whole sister. She is my whole sister. यह हुआ बराबर का सौदा। This is a square deal. This is a square deal. कितनी ऐठ है उसमें। How arrogant he is. How arrogant he is. मैं घूमने जा रही हूँ। I am going on a trip. I am going on a trip. मुझे घूमना पसंद है। I like visiting place. I like visiting place. उसकी जुबान ही कड़वी है। She has bitter tongue. She has bitter tongue. वह जितना कमाता है उतना खर्च कर देता है. He spends the whole of his earning. He spends the whole of his earnings. बॉस अभी ऑफिस में नहीं है. Boss is not in the office at this moment. Boss is not in the office at this moment. आप उनके नंबर पर कॉल कर लीजिए. You call on his number. You call on his number. वे तुम्हारे खिलाफ जाल बिछा रहे हैं. They are setting a trap for you. They are setting a trap for you. हर चीज हर किसी को मिले यह जरूरी नहीं है. It's not necessary for everyone to get everything. It's not necessary for everyone to get everything. हर किसी का हर जगह जाना जरूरी नहीं है. It's not necessary for everyone to go everywhere. It's not necessary for everyone to go everywhere. Or you can say, everyone doesn't need to go everywhere. Everyone doesn't need to go everywhere. हर किसी की अपनी मर्जी होती है. Everyone has their own choices. Everyone has their own choices. हमें किसी को फोर्स नहीं करना चाहिए. We should not force anybody. We should not force anybody. अपने सामान की स्वयं रक्षा करें. Protect your belongings yourself. Protect your belongings yourself. खाना खा लो इससे पहले कि यह ठंडा हो जाए. Eat your food before it get cold. Eat your food before it get cold. मुझे कम मत समझना. Don't underestimate me. Don't underestimate me. कलम की पावर को कम मत समझना. Don't underestimate the power of pen. Don't underestimate the power of pen. मेरे हिसाब से तुम गलत कर रहे हो. I think that you are being unfair. I think that you are being unfair. शायद तुम सही हो. Maybe you are right. Maybe you are right. तुम किसके लिए काम करते हो? Who do you work for? Who do you work for? मुझे विश्वास नहीं हो रहा है उसने मेरे लिए ऐसा कहा. I can't believe he said that about me. I can't believe he said that about me. वह सड़क के बीचों बीच खड़ा था. He was standing in the middle of the road. He was standing in the middle of the road. उसने कुछ गलत नहीं किया था. She has done nothing wrong. She has done nothing wrong. रास्ता साफ है, जल्दी आ जाओ. The road is clear, come quickly. The road is clear, come quickly. मेरा वहाँ जिक्र हुआ. I was mentioned there. I was mentioned there. उसे ज़्यादा सिर पर मत चढ़ाओ. Don't over pamper him. Don't over pamper him. तुम्हारा बैग गिर गया. You dropped your bag. You dropped your bag. अपना बैग उठाओ. Pick your bag up. Pick your bag up. You can say, pick up your bag. Pick up your bag. अपना काम उससे मत करवाओ. Don't get him to do your work. Don't get him to do your work. Or you can say, don't get your work done by him. Don't get your work done by him.